In this video, there are two methods I'm going to use to remove this polygel. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are removing my old polygel pedicure. I'm starting with a medium ceramic drill bit to file off the gel polish. Always use light pressure to avoid heat or damage on your nails. So I separated my nails into two. The other two toenails I'm going to use a magic remover, and then the other three I'm gonna pop them off because I used a peel off base coat. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So like I said, on the other three nails I'm going to pop them off. So I'm applying the cuticle oil and then just wait for some couple of minutes and then just pop them off. And then on this other two nails, I'm gonna apply thin layer of magic remover and wait about 3 to 5 minutes for it to soften the product. After a few minutes, the products start to bubble up. I'm using the flat side of my cuticle pusher to gently scrub the product off. And I'll do the same up until the product is fully removed on my nails. second, I'm gonna go in with my cuticle cutter to shorten my nails and the hand file to smooth out the surface and make sure everything feels even before doing the cuticle care. Now it's time to take care of my cuticles. I'm applying cuticle cream around my nails. This helps soften the skin and makes trimming easier. Then I will wipe and push back my cuticles and trim away any dead skin. To finish, I'm wiping off any leftover products and oils with acetone to leave the nails completely clean. I'm applying cuticle oil to keep my nails hydrated and giving my feet a little massage. Always finish your removal with moisture. It helps your nails recover. Here's the final results. My polygel pedicure is removed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other pedicure videos linked here. Bye bye.